Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be looking at a set called Dance Competition Set. This is the last set we are solving from DILR 2019 slot 1 of CAT paper. So before going ahead, this set is often rated medium in terms of difficulty level and we'll look at a 5 to 10 minute solution for the same. Please solve this set once all by yourself before you look at the solution. Let's begin. So before jumping into reading the question and solving, let us look at what questions are asked in this set so that we'll understand how much time approximately it will take to solve this set and whether you'll be solving the set at that particular time or will you be putting this set to solve at a later stage in CAT exam as well. Right, some sets intuitively when you look at them you'll understand what the set means because some table may be given etc, so you'll directly understand that it's a missing table set etc, but in this case no such information is given, no such bar graph etc was given. So let us try to first read the questions and understand what type of set it is. Which of the following is true? So they're talking something about the number of the performance and it was composed by whom. Then which of the following is false? Again they are saying so and so did not perform in any item composed by and so. Okay, so then the sixth performance was composed by whom? Then which pair of performances were composed by the same composer? So from looking at these questions we understand that they're trying to ask something about the sequence of the events, and you should also know who is the finalist and who is the composer for that particular finalist in the sequence. So now let us read the set. P, Q, R and S were 4 finalists in a dance competition. A, B, G and D were the 4 music composers who individually assigned items to the dancers. Okay. Each dancer had to individually perform in 2 dance items assigned by the different composers. Okay. The first items performed by the 4 dancers were all assigned by different music composers. No dancer performed her second item before the performance of the first item by any other dancers. So in the sequence of 8 dances, first 4 were definitely by 4 different people and only after then the second round begins. The dancers perform their second items in the same sequence of their performance of their first items. So the sequence of first items is same as that of the second items. Okay, so now we have this. Let us now look at few more additional facts and we'll try to fill in this table as and when we get more facts. No composer who assigned item to princess assigned any item to queen. So we also know from the first part of the question that each dancer performed 2 dance items and of 2 different composers. So this means that P and Q in total performed 4 items of 4 different and unique composers. So this means that P and Q covers all the composers. Same is the case with R and S if you see point 2. No composer who assigned item to Rani assigned any item to Samaragni. Let's go to third point. The first performance was by Princess. This item was assigned by Badal. Okay, we filled that. The last performance was by Rani and this item was assigned by Gagan. We also know that the sequence of the first dances is equal to the same as that of the second dances, right? So if P is the first person to perform, P will also be the 5th person to perform. Similarly, if R is the last person to perform, it will also be the 4th person to perform. Now let us look at the 5th and last point. The items assigned by Asman were performed consecutively. Okay, the number of performances between items assigned by each of the remaining composers was the same. So for this to happen, for 2 items to be assigned by same composer and for them to be consecutive, it's only possible if those items are 4 and 5. Why? Because first 4 items are of 4 different composers and each composer, if you see the last line, the number of performance between items assigned by each of the remaining composers was same. This means that each composer composed at least 2 items. So in that case, the last 4 also were by different composers. So it is only possible for 2 consecutive items to be composed by the same composer if they are 4 and 5. So we'll write A at 4 and 5. Okay. So now if you see the last line again, the number of performances between items assigned by each of the remaining composers was the same. So this means that we have 3 more composers left, and the difference between whatever sequence B has performed first and B has performed in the second set should be equal to the other composer at sequence 2, the same with the other composer at sequence 3. It is possible only if this set of 1, 2, 3 repeats itself at 6, 7, 8, right? So from this we can clearly understand that B comes at 6 as well and G comes at 3. So the only composer who is left is D, which comes at 2 and 7. Now once this is done, let us now look at the information which we did not use till now. P and Q are of different composers, and P plus Q should cover all the composers, and same with R and S. So we also know that the sequence repeats, so this means that sequence number 2 and 6 should be performed by the same finalist. The same is the case with 3 and 7. So now P is composed by B and A. So the composers who are left are G and D. So hence Q should be at 3 and 7. Similarly, whatever spaces are left are to be finished by S, are to be filled by S. And if you see R and S comprising of all the composers, S has D, B, and R has A and G. So this covers all the composers. So now we have the entire table filled. Let's move to the questions. So let's look at the first question. Which of the following is true? The third performance was composed by A. No, it was composed by G. The second performance was composed by D. Yes, it is composed by D, so this is correct. The second performance was composed by G. This is incorrect. The third performance was composed by D. Incorrect. So we got the answer for question 1. Let's look at question 2. Which of the following is false? Okay, Queen did not perform any item composed by G. So Queen has actually performed an item composed by G, that is item number 3. So this is the answer. Just let us also look at the other options. R did not perform any items composed by Badal. So R did not perform. So yes, R performed only items composed by A and G. So the second statement is true and the question asking whichever is false. S did not perform any item composed by A. So S performed items composed by D and B. So yeah, this is again true, third statement. Princess did not perform any item composed by D. So Princess performed items composed by B and A. So again, the last statement is true. So the only statement that is false is the first statement. The sixth performance was composed by whom? Sixth performance was composed by B. Which pair of performances were composed by the same composer? So, okay, let's look at the options. Third and seventh. Third is composed by G and seventh by D. That's not the answer. First and seventh. First is composed by B and seventh is composed by D. Not the answer. First and sixth. First composed by B and sixth by B. So this is the answer. And then we have last option. Second and the sixth. Second is D and sixth is B. No, this is not the answer. This brings me to the end of this video. So in this way we covered all sets of DILR 2019 slot 1 CAT paper. So in the upcoming videos we'll be looking at slot 2 paper of 2019 DILR section. So if you have any more requests, you can always post them in the comments, and we are also starting with a verbal and a quant series. Thank you.